Hi! In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now download this app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now select your language from the list of available ones. Tap on Save. Click on Continue twice and then tap on Start. Now, after closing an app, you can exit Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit, tap on Apps, select Default Apps and click on Home app. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to manage some of its settings, just access Launcher app, close the app, if you still see this kind of pop-up, just tap on Set as Default. So, after closing the app, you can manage all of the available settings. Firstly though, tap on Allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed... Sorry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!